If I will be proud of anything, I think it's the fact that we are being blessed.
We have been in the business of pharmaceutical manufacturing for over 70 years. That is definitely something to be very proud of.
Pascual Laboratories, more known as Pasquale Lab, was established in 1946. A Filipino-founded enterprise with a true passion for healthcare and love for life. For over 70 years, Pasquale Lab has been a trusted partner in providing quality, innovative, and effective solutions in manufacturing health and wellness products. The Pasquale Lab manufacturing plant began as an initial venture of founders Isosceles and Leonora Pascual in 1946, following the end of World War II. The married couple were both chemistry graduates of the University of the Philippines. Their early operations were confined to a single-room laboratory at their home in Balut Island, Tondo, Manila, with focus on the formulation and manufacturing of medicines to cure tuberculosis and vitamin deficiency. Pasquale Lab grew into a large-scale manufacturing facility in the 1950s and became a full-blown corporation by the 60s. The manufacturing plant was moved to its present-day location in Balagtas, Bulacan in the 70s, while its corporate headquarters transferred to Quezon City.
From a one-room laboratory beside the house, it grew. And in 10 years, we needed some space. So they built a plant. And again, after another 10 years, in 1970, they started the construction. So I supervised the transfer of the plant from Balut, Tondo, here to Balagtas, Bulacan.
The 80s and 90s saw the company progressing into the new millennium as a formidable player, led by second-generation Pascual family member Dr. Abraham F. Pascual. With his visionary leadership, Pasquale Lab experienced its biggest growth with the introduction of pioneering and innovative products, time-tested formulas, and manufacturing expertise in producing quality, innovative, and family-friendly healthcare solutions. Today, under the helm of third-generation Pascual family member Jappy Pascual, the Pasquale Lab manufacturing plant is one of the largest production facilities in the Philippines, processing pharmaceutical, herbal, and consumer products. It positioned itself as a technologically enabled company designed to tie the challenges and adapt to the needs of modern times. It supplies the product requirements of Pasquale Lab's wholly owned subsidiary, Pascual Consumer Healthcare Corporation, and provides toll manufacturing services to local and offshore pharmaceutical companies.
It's our people here, our Pascual Lab family members. It is my personal family. It's my extended family. It's the Filipinos around us. It's the people all over the world. It's everybody. You know, that is the inspiration that I draw from, so that we continue and are guided, of course, by the Lord to continue to produce products that will benefit everybody.
Pasquale Lab partners with multinational and local pharmaceutical companies through technological transfer process and innovates on established product technologies according to the capabilities and facilities available in the local market, while ensuring that the quality requirements of the products are complied with. Its commitment goes beyond the delivery of excellent products and services and leverages on building lasting relationships with its clients while helping their businesses progress forward and attain their goals.
As a pharmaceutical company, having our own manufacturing facility is a competitive advantage. It not only ensures the continuous supply of the product that we are marketing, but it also makes us price competitive. We have a better control of the supply of the products that we cater to our clients. It also gives us an opportunity to come up with the new products that we can offer to our clients through our product development capability.
Quality is the heart of our business, and we proudly produce our products following the stringent good manufacturing practices for pharmaceutical and herbal products based on PICS requirement. We are built in the principles of GMP in every aspect of our manufacturing operations through standard operating procedures, from design and construction of facilities and the end-to-end processes of our supply chain, from material receipt up to finished goods release.
You know, Pascual Laboratories Incorporated is very strict in terms of quality control and quality assurance. Very strict. So safety is the primary goal of Pascual Laboratories Incorporated, especially with their clients and with the consuming public.
It is certified and licensed by the Food and Drug Administration of the Philippines for good manufacturing practices. In adherence to quality management system standards, the Pasquale Lab manufacturing plant received its ISO 9001-2015 certification and Halal certificate for the Islamic Dawah Council of the Philippines. With a strong frontline of chemists, chemical engineers, formulators, and pharmacists, Pasquale Lab contributes to manufacture a wide array of products that cater to a spectrum of needs of people of different ages and lifestyles. With a professional and collaborative management team, Pasquale Lab strives to delight its customers with care and efficiency through its unique approach to managing and responding to their needs. And this is why, for over 70 years, Pasquale Lab has been a trusted partner by its select clientele. A company passionate about life, driven not just to cure, but care. From our family to yours since 1946. This is Pasquale Lab,